Hi guys, this is Simple Programmer. This is a React tutorial complete for beginners. So if you are intermediate developer, you can skip that tutorial, or otherwise you can continue this tutorial, whatever you like, but this is for absolute beginner. Okay, let's jump to the video. Today we're gonna see how to install a React app, and first we need to install the React app. I already installed the React app. If you want to know how to install React app, you can see my all tutorials. It's on the description. Okay, let's go to the today topic. Before we jump to the React tutorial, I need to refresh your JavaScript knowledge. So we will see some concept in JavaScript, like how to set a variable, how to create a function, how to create an object, and how to access the object, and create an arrow function. What is arrow function? These kind of things, because we need to know that, because React completely based on the arrow function and variables. Let's see. Okay, this is the React app, the fresh React apps look like. So I'm gonna change this index.js. So I will delete these things. I will just type console.log, and I will type like hello world. Let's see. Back into the browser. I will open my terminal, and here I will type npm start. It will take some time. So back into the browser, let's see inspect element, because it's a console. We can see the result on the console. Okay, we got the hello world. So we type here console log, and we got this one, hello world. Okay, now we're gonna see the first one is how to set a variable in JavaScript. How can I set a variable in JavaScript? Before ECMAScript, like ES6, we assign a variable like var, the variable name like x or something, equal to smart, like this. Okay, what is the problem with this var keyword? Let's see the example. So I will delete all these things, and I will create a function like the function hello world. Okay, here's the simple function. I will give the for loop here, var equal 0, and here I will type x equal 5, well, x plus plus. So here, let's see, here we need to put the x, the variable name var x0, x greater than 5 is a loop. Here we will print the x value console.log. We will print the x value. Let's see. So we create a function, and we will call the function here hello world, and let's see what we'll get on the browser. Okay, let's see. Okay, here's the loop 0 1 2 3 4. It's perfect. So here, what is the problem with this var? The problem, this var keyword, we can access the var keyword outside this block. Let's see. We will type console.log x. Let's see. Back into the browser, refresh. See here 0 1 2 3 4 5. we got this 5 value. How it comes? Like from 0 to 4, from loop, the outside x, we got 5 because it's running outside the block. We can still access this x. So this is only in JavaScript. So how to solve this problem? That's why we use let keyword on ECMAScript 6. So this is the rescue one, let keyword. So it can only accessible on these blocks. Let's see the example. So I will use this let keyword here, let, and I will delete this one. So let's see here. Now I save this one, let x. Okay, back into the browser, refresh. X is not defined because it's outside of the block. So that's why we are using the let keyword. So what else we can use? So we have var, and we have let, and we have another type of variable key like const. It's simplified version of constant. So what is the difference between const and let? Let's do another example. So I will delete all these things. Let's see. I will create a variable using const keyword. It's called x. I will assign 2, the value of 2, and I will reassign this to 3. So what is the error I will got? Let's see. Console.log x. Let's see on the browser. Okay, let's refresh the page. So what is the error we get? Assignment to constant variable. So constant is already assigned. So now we know we can't reassign if you use const word. So it's like a constant, we cannot change the value. So we can use let keyword for changing values variable. We can use const keywords for unchanging value. If you don't want to change the value, you can use the const one, and if you want to change the variable value, you can use let. You can also use var, but that's not the good way. From ES6 mostly we use let and const keywords. And another thing, you can't change the variable value if you use const keyword. You can change the value of the variable if you use let keyword. So I think that's it for the variable. See you on next video. Thank you. Bye bye.